Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 9th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 9 Cumulative Threader. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and both are shown on my PC screen. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Hospital 2 Excel chapter 9 Multi-threader. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Expedia 2 Excel chapter 9 cumulative threader. Basically in this step we will have to download the Excel workbook from LTLab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from LTLab dashboard. You can see here Excel workbook. Okay, customer 1 is completed. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that group the template Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheets. Fill the formatting for the range A5 to A20. Group the template Friday, Sunday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Group this sheet Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Then fill the formatting for the range A5 to A20. Okay, fill the formatting. Basic step we will have to first group 3 sheet Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then first we select this range and group the and then fill the range. Fill across worksheet. Okay, all across for formats worksheet. Okay, format. I have done this question. This question is completed now. Now moving on question number 3. I have done 2 question of the assignment. Question number 3 is that with the worksheet still grouped in cell E20, enter a formula to subtract the grand total percentage stored from one apply bold to the cell. Basically, in this step, we will have to enter a formula in cell E20. Still, worksheet is grouped. Okay, E20. Then enter a formula is equal to 1 minus percentage sold grand total. Okay, percentage sold okay, then percent rate will be find value grand total percentage sold. Okay, grand total percentage sold 1 minus from percent grand total percentage. Apply bold to the cell. Then we will have apply bold to the cell. Click on the cell and click on bold. Okay, it will be apply bold. Okay, I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that with the worksheet still grouped, added size J5 by and closing the average if function with an if error function, the value if error arguments should display the text missing data. Copy the function to the range J6 to J7. Fill without formatting to preserve the border. Basically, in this step, worksheets still grouped. Then enter a formula in cell J5. Average if function with an f error function. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. Go to Excel workbook. Okay, average if function, add the formula. If error function. Okay, then if error function, then missing data. Okay, Then press enter, it will be show value, average sold, seed sold, okay. Copy the function range J7 to J6 to J7, fill without formatting, preserve the borders. Okay, then press enter, copy the function, copy the function J7 to J6 to J7, copy this, okay, missing data, okay, it will be center right, missing data, left 150. Okay, okay, then without formatting, preserve the border. Hide the template worksheet. Basically, in this step, we will have to hide the template worksheet. Click on template worksheet, then hide it. Question number 5 is that hide the template worksheet. Click on template, then hide it. Okay. Sorry. First we will. Okay. Okay. Only template. Hide the template. Click on template. Okay. Template worksheet is. Hide. Okay. Hide. Okay. No, temporary versus hide. Okay, that's good. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that question number. Okay, on the total worksheet is in cell A5. Insert a hyperlink to the cell C20 in the Friday worksheet with the screen tip text Friday seed sold. Click on as workbook total workbook in cell A5, insert a hyperlink to the cell C20. In Friday basic instead we will have to add a hyperlink, insert a link. Friday C with the screen tip text Friday seats sold. Okay, click on C5, right click on this link, then page in the documents, then screen tip is Friday seat sold, then hyperlink to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet. C20, then Friday worksheet, then screen tip is Friday seat sold, then screen tip is Friday seat sold. Okay, this link is added here, this link is regenerated. Okay, now in cell A6 insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet with the screen tip text Saturday seat sold. Basically we will insert a link in A6, click on cell A6, right click on this, then click on link, then C20, then Saturday sheet, then OK, then screen tip is Saturday sheet sold. Screen tip is Saturday sheet. OK, link will be added. Insert, link will be insert. OK, then Sunday worksheet with the screen tip Sunday sheets. OK, click on A7, then right click link, tap outside reference C20, then Sunday, then screen tip is Sunday sheet sold. OK, again OK, OK. Test the hyperlink to ensure the worksheet correctly test the hyperlink to ensure the worksheet is correctly. Okay, double click on this and it will be shows this link will be, it is correctly. Okay, I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that in cell B5 insert a formula with the 3D references to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet. Basically in this step we will have to insert a formula in cell B5, 3D reference formula in the Friday worksheet. References in C20 in the Friday worksheet. Okay. Insert cell B5. You can see I have done this question. This question is completed now. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that in cell B6 insert a formula with 3D references to the cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet. Basically in this step we will have to enter a formula in cell B6 with 3D references C20 in the Saturday worksheet. Okay, click on cell B6, then click on Saturday worksheet, then okay, C20, then it will be shown value. I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Now moving on, question number 9. Question number 9 is that in cell B7 insert a formula with 3D references to the cell C20 in the Sunday worksheet. Basically in this step we will have to enter a formula in cell B7 with reference 3D reference to the C20 in the Sunday worksheet. Click on cell B7, then click on Sunday worksheet and then enter a formula C20 on. Okay, this value will be shown. I have done this question. 9th question of this assignment is completed now. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that in cell B11 insert the sum function with 3D references to calculate the total orchestra front gross revenue C9 for the Friday, Saturday. In cell B11 insert a sum function with 3D references to calculate the total orchestra front gross revenue for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Basically in this step we will enter a function in cell B11. Moving on cell B11, then enter a sum function on Friday worksheet, references by the 3D references by the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be find gross revenue. I have done this question, you can see here. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question number 11. I have done 10 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that in cell B12 insert the sum function with 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra back gross revenue for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Basically in this step we will enter a sum function in cell B12 with 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra back gross revenue Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Click on cell B12, then go to Friday. Okay, gross revenue Friday, then Saturday gross revenue, then Sunday. Okay, then press enter. It will be show value orchestra back. Okay, I have done 11 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 12. Question number 12 is that in cell B13 insert the sum function with 3D references to calculate the total balcony gross revenue for the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday worksheet. Basically, this time we will attend as some function shall be 13 with the 3 terms by the balcony, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Grass Avenue, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Then Sunday. Okay. Then presenter. So. Okay. Then presenter. Okay. It will be find value 6. 150. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here I have done 12 questions of this assignment. Now moving on to question number 13. Question number 13 is that on the total worksheet check the error and correct the formula with the circular references. On the total worksheet check the error and correct the formula with circular reference. Basically we will have to total worksheet, moving on total worksheet and check errors, go to data tab, go to we will check. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade. I have done this assignment for many students and they all got A+ grade in their courses. Okay. So remove the error. I have done many questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given a description and shows on PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. I can do all courses, finance, accounting, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.